Hi everyone! I have already started to think about my winter colorings, and while I was searching for a good winter coloring book, I discovered for myself Teresa Goodrich. I know that it's not a new coloring book, it's already quite popular, and that many of you already have books by Teresa Goodrich in your collection, but for me it was just a recent discovery. And I am really happy because I love her style. And as Teresa created quite a lot of books for Creative Haven, I think that I definitely will add her books dedicated to different seasons to my coloring book collection. Here we have quite typical Creative Haven edition. Inside we have 31 pictures. Paper is typical for Creative Haven. It has nice tools, it's of medium thickness, and as pictures are one-sided, of course you can use any mediums you want. Pictures are perforated, but perforation isn't very visible, so I'm sure that pictures will safely stay inside of the book. I love that all pictures are inside frames. I think that in this way all illustrations look much better. I love how detailed are pictures, and I love variety of subjects. That we have animals, we have some landscapes, we have different scenes from making a snowman, from decorating tree, then Christmas shopping, some nature scenes. So everything about winter, about holiday time. Composition of pictures is great. We don't need to think about backgrounds. Everything is already drawn, and I think that such pictures will be easy to color even for beginners. I love artist style. It's like sketching, very easy lines, so here I am not bothered by black lines. I think that for some pictures I will leave black lines and I will be using watercolors and colored pencils, and on some pictures I will try to use gouache, acrylic, opaque paints in order to make pictures, especially landscapes, to look like real paintings. I like that some pictures have vintage look, and I think that Teresa Goodrich is really very talented in drawing all subject: people, animal, birds, landscapes, building. So very nicely created designs. If you purchase together with this book a big tube of white opaque paint for coloring snow, you will be fully prepared for the whole winter season, and I'm sure that with this coloring book you won't be bored. I think that this book is also good for educational purposes. You will be able to practice coloring different subjects like snow during daytime, during evening, how to color winter sky, shop windows, Christmas tree decorations, different animals and birds like cardinal birds, fire, and so on. So I am totally happy with my new book, and I hope that you will enjoy color alongs from this book during December, January, and February. I thank you for watching, and I hope that you share my opinion that pictures by Teresa Goodrich are great for coloring.